You may have heard that Python is gaining in popularity. In this course, we will use many tools that are based on Python. And to use these tools, we need to install Python. We will install the 2.7 version because most of the tools depended on this version. Python is very easy to install, just like any other software on your Windows. Hit next and install it by leaving the default settings. Give it some time to set up. Many people learn Python specifically just for hacking. And when I first started with Python and moving from Java to Python personally felt a lot comfortable. To hack something you need a tool to do it. So hackers choose the one which can be built easily and quickly. As Python is very easy to learn and powerful, hackers give high priority to Python. So you will find many hacking tools that have been created with Python. Okay, Python has been installed. Press finish. As you can see, Python has been installed in this directory, the Python 27 folder. So to run any tool with Python, we will use the python.exe file to run it. And to make Python accessible from the command line, we need to configure it in the environment variables. From the advanced system settings, press environment variables and search for the path variable. You will find it under the system variables section. Select it and press edit. You should add the Python directory here. I will delete it and add it again to make you understand. Press new and go to the directory. Copy the full Python directory and paste it here in the system variables. Press OK, OK, and you are done. To make sure that Python has been installed correctly, open the Windows command line. Just type the word Python and hit enter. If you got something like that, then you have successfully installed Python.